Good afternoon. This is Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your afternoon snow update. By this time, it should be snowing in most of the area. Um, um, what I want to do with this short video is um, show you the temperature profile for this storm at the 850 millibar level. Now, this is the level just above our level of the atmosphere. So this is what we talk about when snow falls. It has to fall through all the layers as snow, and if it falls through a warm layer, then the ground has to be below 32 degrees for it to change back into a snow or sleety kind of mixed form. Okay, so the line that we want to um, be aware of, okay, is this line. This is the 850 millibar temperature. This is as the storm is getting going this afternoon. This is early this morning. Snow is probably already breaking out around the Virginias. It's probably starting in DC and all along and all out here. Okay. I mean, it's probably in Pittsburgh and, the outer western PA borders. Okay. I'm going to restate. Okay, so again, this is the line we want to watch. Okay. So this is this afternoon, and it has pushed, and it's going to do this. This is completely normal, and it's pushed a little bit further to the north and west. Okay, I mean it's slowly creeping up. It's slowly coming up on DC, but it's still snowing. There's not a problem here, none. Okay, go to the next frame. Go out a little bit. Okay, this is tonight. This is this evening. It's still snowing, folks. Just to let you know. The zero line has inched and is in southern Delaware now. Okay. So pretty much this part of Delaware has gone to rain, and everybody else is fine. Everybody else is it's snowing. All right. This is midnight. Okay, now it's made a big jump in 6 hours. That's because you have winds now that are starting to change from the northwest, and they're starting to. I'm sorry, they're coming from the southeast. Okay, so and again, this always happens. This is not. It's not new. All right, so pretty much, the rain snow line has moved up to past Middletown, past the Indian Canal to about Bear. Okay. All right. Now we go to the next frame. Okay. So here it is. This is 6 o'clock Monday morning, and it has changed over to overnight. It has changed over to some rain. Okay. And it's probably raining Monday morning when you wake up. It's probably like, that wasn't such a big deal. Okay. Well, guess what? See how the storm now is pivoting, starting to lift. All right. And this right here, this is photogenesis. This is where the heaviest precipitation shield is. Okay. Now it's way back out in the ocean. So, but what it's doing is throwing moisture into the air and it's throwing it back to the cold air. So, you know, don't worry, it's snowing. Okay. So, right about now, it's probably a sleet snow mix. Okay. It's upstate, and it's probably mostly rain. It's definitely rained. It's definitely rained rain below Georgetown. It's like a mix in Dover. Okay. So next frame. Next frame. Okay. So at this point, the storm has reached it's reaching its full maturity. It's still not a mature storm yet. Okay. It is. Now you got these east west winds, right? Okay. So what this is doing, it's fire hosing all this moisture back into this cold air. And it's throwing it up. So you got it coming down, you got it coming in from the east, and it's hammering. Okay, this is hammer time, what I called. This is Monday afternoon. It's hammer time. So this whole area is getting this changeover is taking place, is getting walloped. Okay? I mean, just pounded. Now let's take it to Monday night. Monday night hasn't moved much. It's starting to move. The winds are starting to shift. And it's still snowing. Now, this is where it becomes interesting. The key is okay, here's the zero line. So now pretty much has gone sideways. Okay. So here's the zero line. It's well out to sea. It's changed over to snow. Everybody's getting snow. Winds are out of the northeast. Now, this is where the setup becomes interesting. Okay. Now, there's going to be a band that sets up. Now, does it set up? Does it set up here? Or does it set up a little bit north and west, and this area gets clobbered? It's probably wide. It's wider than this too. It's probably more like this in terms of an area that's getting the conveyor belt. So depending on where that sets up will determine Monday night, overnight, who gets the final dumping and smacking of snow, okay, to enhance their accumulations. So that 850 millibar temperature becomes key to this whole equation of whether you continuously get snow or you get a combination of snow, sleet, or, if it's pure, if it's above weight, like 2 to 3 degrees Celsius above temperature, you're getting mostly rain. So that was just a little education in temperatures during a winter storm and climatology during the winter storm. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Adios.